Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper of Tuesday, April the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left for this afternoon, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And the news of today, well, yesterday there was a solar eclipse in the US, Canada, and also in Mexico. Beautiful solar eclipse. Saw it on television. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. But let me continue with this Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku number 8329. 8329. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And for a 3 stars Sudoku, 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, we will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always one. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have only one duo box, contains 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes? I see only one triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, okay. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5. We have a 5 there, so it should be a 4. All right. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This shape here, same shape. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box, rotated, has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. And here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. Do we have more T shapes? Here, another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. All right. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. This box can be a 3, but also... So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright. Okay, and now let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 is supposed to be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And is connected with that box, should be a 1 or a 2. And is also connected with that box, should be a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. Should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be a 1. Is connected with this box, should be a 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. Alright, this box can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Well. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If I place the 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So the only place left for the 4 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box. So we saw 1 and 2. Here also connected with that box. So we saw 1 and a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be 1 anymore. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box. So we saw 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1 is connected with that box. So we saw 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then 2 and 3. Well, we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is also connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Yeah, in additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now. Yes.